Back in 2017, we set out on a mission to make the best savings account in the world. An easy way to save and earn the best returns. And that is why we built Chip.
Chip crowdfunding, Slate 2, take 1.
We started as a small app that helps people save automatically, and we've come a long way since. Building Chip hand in hand with our investors, we've seen incredible growth, driven by one of the largest fintech communities in Europe. In the last year, together, we've built the game-changing returns engine we all wanted.
Should I go? Now, with funds from BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world, our savers can effortlessly seek bigger returns. One app for all things saving. Yeah, bit less cheesy. One app for all things saving.
Our team is scaling from the brightest minds in tech, banking, and marketing. We've now saved over £500 million, smashed our revenue targets, and launched our long-awaited returns platform, ChipX. Together, we're taking that little savings app to the next level, and we're just getting started.
As part of this growth round, we're opening up our investor community to the 100,000 new savers who have joined us in the past year, inviting you to join our journey. Our community is what makes us special. They've helped us design, build, and improve Chip every single year.
What time is lunch? Savings accounts are the most popular financial products in the world, with 69% of the world's adults using them and trillions of pounds sitting in them.
This growth round is all about growth. We'll be investing in features that allow you to deposit and withdraw in and out of the world's leading accounts as easily as ordering a cab.
The bottom line is, your banks invest your money to make money for themselves. They use it to fund things like loans, mortgages, credit cards, and make massive profits in the process. At Chip, we don't think that's fair. Together, we want to get the world's savings earning the returns you deserve. We've got so much marketing planned, getting ready to scale Chip to millions of customers across Europe and beyond.
Do you want me to do booming? I can't do booming. With fintech booming and unicorns growing across Europe, we invite you to join our journey, building a wealthier tomorrow.
Invest and own shares in Chip today.
And then do I have to do the click?
We can do the click.